Hello and welcome to this video. It's Leonard here from detaillearner.com, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to walk you step by step on how to make withdrawals from the Bybit exchange. And this is because a student actually requested for this, so I'm going to walk you through how to do this. And the reason for requesting for withdrawal was because he wanted to know how to actually sell his crypto, most especially his USDT, to his bank account using the P2P option. And if I come in here to buy crypto with the Bybit exchange, P2P is yet to be launched in Nigeria, but this is functional for some other countries. Yeah, this is functional, but in Nigeria it is yet to be launched. So there is need for you to be able to withdraw your funds from the Bybit to another exchange where you can sell it directly to your bank account. So there are a few reasons why we actually use Bybit. In case you're seeing this video and you don't have a Bybit account already, link will be in the video description to actually sign up for Bybit. And one of the major reasons is because of fees. When it comes to trading crypto, if you want to trade crypto, you want to go into day trading and the rest, what first thing you need to consider is the fees that some of these exchanges charges. And Bybit is one of that exchange that charges the lowest fee out there in the market. So it is assumed that you already have an account. If you don't have one, then link will be in the video description to sign up for an account, and you stand to gain up to $3,500 as when you make a particular amount of deposit into the exchange. So you can make up to that amount if as a new sign up or so. So to be able to make withdrawals from the Bybit, once you log into your account, already I've logged into my account. So once you log into your account, you want to come in here to this menu here and click on it. And once you click on this menu, you want to go to where it says assets. So this is where you want to go. You click on asset and then want to go to the spot account. So I'll go ahead and open that up, and that will open up on a new tab. So here you come and you see every details on your spot account. So you see all of the balance that you have here on your spot account. In this case, we want to be withdrawing BTC. The same thing applies to whether you want to withdraw USDT, you want any token at all you have here that you want to withdraw. You can just go ahead and click on, follow these steps and just go ahead and withdraw. So in order to make withdrawals here, I'll just go ahead and click on withdraw. And here, if your account is just created, or since you created the account, if you have not initiated any withdrawal yet, then before you can actually do that, you need to enable one of these two-factor authenticator. Already my email is verified, so I need to enable the Google authenticator. So if I'm able to enable this, I will be able to make make withdrawals from the exchange. So all I just need to do is to go ahead and click on this confirm to enable that security check. Alright, so once I click on confirm, it brings us to this interface, and as you can see here, I need to enable SMS authenticator or Google two-factor authenticator. So what I can do now is to go ahead and enable SMS authenticator, or let me just use the Google authenticator. So I go to settings. So once I click on settings, it pops up. We need to send a verification code to our email that we register with. So I'll go ahead and click on send. Once I click on send verification code, this will pop up. So we just go ahead and drag this. You can click on this to drag, or you just click on it here to drag it to this space here. So once we do that, the email has been sent. So we'll just go ahead and copy the code from my email and input it here. So here is the email. I'll just go ahead and copy this email. So once I paste the code here, the code we copied from the email, once I paste it here, I'll go ahead and click on confirm. Alright, so now that we've confirmed this, we need to download Google Authenticator on our phone and then use it to scan this. So the next thing we need to do now is to download the Google Authenticator and then use it. Already I have a Google Authenticator on my phone, so all I just need to do is to open it up, click on the plus button and scan this QR code to be able to register this on my authenticator. If you don't have already, you can go to your Play Store or your App Store to download the app, and then you just go it is straightforward. Just click on the plus icon on the Google Authenticator. When you open it up, it will give you the option to scan, use either the secret key or use the QR code. So just click on QR code and scan this code and you are good to go. So that is exactly what I'm going to do now. So I've been able to scan that successfully. So the next thing I need to do is to enter the code, the recent code that is showing on the authenticator. So I'll go ahead and enter that. I have 082 and then 367. So the next thing is just to click on confirm to confirm that. If the code is correct, that should be able to go through. I think we have error somewhere. So let me try again. All right, so that went through, and automatically we are logged out. Once we do that, we are automatically logged out, so we need to log in again to confirm this action. So I just go ahead and log in. So now when we log in, we are requested to enter the authenticator code. So we'll go ahead and wait for the recent authenticator code to be able to confirm our login. So I just go ahead, and this is changing, and I have a new one, so I'll go ahead and enter the new one. All right, so once that is confirmed, we are automatically logged in. So now we are now back to our Bybit account. So the next thing I need to do now is to go ahead and click on this menu again. So click on this menu icon, go to asset, and then go to spot account, and that will open up on a new tab again. So here we are on the new tab. The next thing we need to do now is to go ahead and click on withdraw. Now before you make withdraw, make sure that the funds you want to withdraw are on the spot wallet actually. So if I go ahead and click on transfer, I can actually transfer funds from wherever I have it from. For instance, from my derivative, select the funds you want to transfer, BTC, and I can go ahead and enter the amount I want to transfer here, for instance. So I just enter 5,000 and then click on confirm. All right, so once the funds are transferred to our spot wallet, we can then go ahead and initiate the withdrawal. So I'll go ahead and click on withdraw. Then once I click on withdraw, I want to select the coin I want to withdraw by selecting USDT. So I'll go ahead and select USDT. So after selecting USDT, you actually have both TRC20 and then ERC20, which you want to withdraw. So you can go ahead and TRC20 is always cheaper, but ERC20 is higher. As you can see, the withdrawal fee for the ERC20 will be 10 USDT, but with TRC20 it's just between 1 and 2 USDT. And the next thing we want to do is to first add an address that we want to withdraw to. So you go ahead and click on add an address. If you don't have an address to add already, this is what you need to do. First, on the Bybit exchange, you need to add up your address. After adding the address, then you can come back to the withdraw page and withdraw. So here is the wallet address that you'll be having here. So if I want to withdraw here, I'll just go ahead and click on add address here. And once I click on add address, it will ask me to select the address I want to add. In this case, it's USDT we want to withdraw. So if it is BTC, you go ahead. Now you choose between the two. If it is TRC20 address you want to add, or ERC20 address you want to add, any of these that you want to add, first you need to go to the exchange where you want to withdraw this to. And I'm using OKX exchange. So if I go to my OKX exchange, I want to withdraw to my TRC or my ERC20 address. So I'll go ahead and click over my asset and go ahead and click on deposit. Here on OKX, I'll click on deposit because I want to get the address where I want to make my withdrawals to. So I'll click on deposit, and when I click on deposit, I want to deposit USDT. So when I click on USDT, I can go ahead and select the network I want to withdraw to, either ERC20 or TRC20. So if I click ERC20, for instance, I just click on continue, and okay, I can go ahead and click and copy this address. Then when I come back here to the address page on the OKX, on the Bybit exchange, I'll go ahead and right click to paste that address I just copied there, and I can name this OKX, for instance, just name it OKX ERC20 address, USDT, for instance, USDT. So once I do that, the next thing is just to click on confirm, and then we enter our authenticator code again to confirm this action. Zero 37206. So once you enter your code, click on confirm, and if the code is correct, it has been successfully added. So we now have our address right here. So we go back to our asset by clicking on this button at the top right hand. So here we come back to the asset, we go and initiate the withdrawal again by clicking on withdraw. After you click on withdraw, you select the asset you want to withdraw. After selecting the asset, you choose between these two, any of these you want to withdraw. If it is TRC20, make sure that you copy TRC20 address from your exchange where you want to withdraw to. If it is ERC20, make sure you copy the ERC20 address from the exchange where you want to withdraw to. So at the end of the day, because I have already added an address, if I just click here, I can just select that address that I added here. So I select the address, and here is where you put in the amount you want to withdraw, and this Bybit is telling you this is what will be charging you to make this withdrawal. After that, you just click on submit. The next page, you'll be asked to confirm your or Google Authenticator code. So just add up your code and you are good to go. And then within minutes, you'll see the funds reflecting in the address that you have sent it to. And basically, those are the step-by-step guide on how to make withdrawals from the Bybit exchange. It is not difficult. You just follow this step-by-step guide and you are good to go. So if you gain value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, then leave your question using the comment section. And if this is your first time of seeing my videos, you love videos about crypto trading and investing, then consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell to be the first to be notified each time videos like this are published. And if you want to get up to 3,500 USDT in your first deposit, when you sign up newly, then link to sign up with the Bybit will be in the video description. I have other exchanges, Binance and the rest, where you can actually sign up. So I'll leave all of those links in the video description. That is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.